Good morning, everyone. This is Tamara Lee Ulmer with Arizona Resource Realty, and I am here today with Annette Furland. We are getting ready to walk you through our newest listing out in Cottonwood, Arizona. Location is 1001 East Aspen Place. Beautiful home, and Annette's going to take us for a tour here today.
Hi everybody, I'm Annette Furland. I've actually lived in the Valley Valley going on 5+ years. I love it here. This town is one of the best towns I've ever lived in. Safe, beautiful, and this particular neighborhood is one of the best neighborhoods in Cottonwood. You're 2 minutes from Old Town, 15 minutes from Sedona. You have the fire department, police department, rec center, library, everything you need that way. 2 minutes. 5 minutes to Walmart and other shopping, you know, in Old Town, best place to be.
All
So
right.
come on in. This to me is one of the best opportunities as far as investment properties because look at the neighborhood. Location.
Okay, so walking into the property here, right into the living room. And I guess this would be like the living room and maybe the family room in here. What would
I mean, yeah, you could use this for, you could even close this off and make this like a separate, like a den area. You could open it up and make it a huge living room.
Yeah, that's so true, like a great room. Okay, so let's go ahead and walk in here and see what do we have here is an extra large utility room plus storage, right? Looks like washer and dryer hook up there.
I would definitely say that, yeah, washer and dryer.
And your hot water heater, your mechanics room basically.
Mm-hmm.
Walking into this room here, which it was actually converted from a bedroom into a sunroom, which is very, very nice. Lots of closet space in here. And so walking into the doors here, into the kitchen. It's a nice size kitchen.
So basically you have the 2 bedrooms. So this is going to be the first bathroom. Could be a guest bathroom, plus also used for whoever's in this bedroom. This is a huge bedroom. If you look at the closet, this is definitely almost, you know, you got 2 sides, so this side and this side opens. You can walk in here, you can put a dresser in here, whatever you need, it goes on and on.
Yeah, that is really nice.
The bedroom is huge. Again, you know, you can change the color to whatever you prefer. It looks out at the beautiful house across the street and this beautiful, I'd say a 10-year-old oak tree. Again, location. The Verde Valley is one of the safest neighborhoods to be in. We are Yavapai County. So then you have, I guess this would be the master bedroom because you have the bathroom attached.
Yeah.
You also have another closet in here.
Okay. Yeah, that's a really nice size closet too.
Yes.
Okay.
Huge backyard. Look at that.
Yeah, the yard is really amazing.
The yard
in this property. Yeah.
Yes.
I noticed that when we were coming up that it has a really extra large yard. So why don't you show that to us?
Okay, absolutely. So you walk through here. Beautiful. Look at that. This neighborhood is one of the best neighborhoods in the Verde Valley. I love this sunroom. So then out here, I mean, you have plenty of open space.
Yeah, there is a lot of space, and this could all be really nicely landscaped and built into a very nice garden area. You can tell at one time it really did have a lot of great garden improvements here. And so there's the back of the property there. And then the side yard over here, right?
Oh, yeah.
So, and we've got a 1-car garage, right?
Yes, 1-car garage, and it is detached, so you have to come outside to go in. But
Okay. Lots of space though. Nice,
Lots of space.
nice storage shed.
The property line actually goes all the way up here. And you can put, if you want to make this more of a private use, most certainly can. You can put whatever you want on this already fenced line here to block off all public. And then here's the inside the fence. Oh, open that.
Okay, that's really nice. Nice storage. So basically some minor cosmetic repairs and it's ready to move in. Beautiful neighborhood, like Annette said. Really a beautiful property. Let's just walk around the side here. Take a look at the front again. So as you can see, very beautiful mature trees in the summer and, well, the spring, summer, and fall. These trees are just magnificent. They're beautiful, lush, beautiful trees in the front.
They really are. They're absolutely beautiful. And they produce a lot of shade. So in the summertime, you know, with these trees just being full of green leaves, it does create such a beautiful shade to keep it cool inside.
Yeah, really nice. Thank you for taking this tour with us today. And my name is Tamara Ulmer once again.
And I'm Annette Ferlin. I actually live here in the Valley Valley, so give me a call. I'll show you the house anytime you want.
Thank you.
Thank you.